Hello students, welcome to the class of Technometrics. So today we'll be seeing one question from coordinate where the question is that if the points A, B, C, D are the coordinates or the vertex of a square, right? So let's say this is the square which is forming whose vertex is A, B, then C and then D, right? These are the four vertices, right? Now we need to find the value of one of the coordinates of this vertex, right? So the vertices as given to you are, for A, it's given 5P. So 5 and P are the coordinate of A, right? Similarly, B is having the coordinate 1 and 5, right? Similarly, C is having some coordinate and that is 2 1 2 1, right? And D is having the coordinate 6 and 2, right? So the question in front of us is that what are the coordinates of, what is the value of P if the abscissa ordinate, abscissa ordinate, abscissa ordinate, abscissa ordinate of all the four vertex of this square is given to you. So this is a square. This is the data which is given to you, right? And in any square, what will happen? All the four sides of a square are always equal. That means AB is equal to CD is equal to BC is equal to AB, right? So all these four sides are equal. So when we are going to calculate the value of this P, what is the value of P? This is being asked, right? So we know that this is a square and a square is having a property that all of its four sides are equal. That means AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to DA, right? We will be using this property to solve it, right? So if you know by the distance formula, we know to how to calculate the length of the side AB, right? So we can say if we take AB as equal to, let's say, BC, right? Hi Advik Gaming. If AB is equal to BC, then why we have taken AB is equal to BC, I will be saying, because when you take the length, we calculate the length of AB, the one of this variable that is P is coming, right? And in BC, all the coordinates is known to you, 1 5 and 2 1, all numbers are known to you. So it's very easily, it's very easily able, you are able to calculate the length of BC, and when you equate it with the length of AB, P will be acting as a variable and you will be able to solve it, right? So let us solve it. So what is the length of AB? Length of AB is root over of 1 minus 5. That means the abscissa of B minus abscissa of A, right? 1 minus 5 whole square, right? Plus the second one, the ordinate. What is the ordinate of B? That is 5. And what is the ordinate of A? That is P. So that is equal to 5 minus P whole square, root over all this. So this will give you the length of AB, and this is equal to the length of BC. What is the length of BC? Abscissa of C minus abscissa of B. That means in the RHS we have root over of 2 minus 1 whole square, 2 minus 1 whole square, right, plus ordinate of C minus ordinate of B, that is 1 minus 5 whole square, right. So this will give you, into the RHS we have root over of 2 minus 1 whole square, that is 1 square, that is 1, plus 1 minus 5, that is minus 4, minus 4 whole square is 16, right. So root over 1 plus 16 is there into the RHS, and into the LHS we have 1 minus 5, that is minus 4 whole square, that is 16, minus 4 whole square is 16, right. 16 plus a minus b whole square, just expand it. So this will be a square, that is 25, 5 square, plus b square, that is p square, right, minus 10p, this will be coming. Now you can just do a square, you can take a square of both the LHS and RHS, which what due to this there will be a benefit. What is the benefit? The square root will be eliminated, and into the LHS we will be having 16 plus 25 plus p square minus 10p, right, and this is equal to 1 plus 16. So here you can see 16 and 16 can be cancelled out, because this is present in both the LHS and RHS, right. And here we will be having a quadratic equation with us, that is p square minus 10p plus 25 and minus 1 24. So that will be equal to p square minus 10p, right, plus 24 is equal to 0. So just solve this quadratic equation to get the value of p, right. So you can see 24, 6 into 4 is 24, and when you split this middle term minus 10, this can be splitted into minus 6p and minus 4p. So this can be written like this: p square, then minus 6p minus 4p, right, then plus 24 is equal to 0. So this will give you when you just take common p from the first two terms, it will be p minus 6, right, and from the last two terms when you take common minus 4, it will be p minus 6, right. So this will give you the equation like this: p minus 6, this will be factorized, and the two factors are p minus 6, which is common into both the terms, here you can see, and multiplied with p minus 4 is equal to 0. So this will give you two values. When you equate this with this equal to 0, this will give you p as equal to 6, right, p as equal to 6. And when we equate p minus 4 equal to 0, this will give p is equal to 4. So these will be the two values of p which are calculated, and 6 and 4 are the two answers, two values which are derived when a, b, c, d will be the vertices of a square, and the coordinates are 5p, 1, 5, 2, 1 and 6, 2. And when we calculate, we use the property of the square that all of its four sides are equal. Then we have taken two of these sides. When we in the side a, b, p will be acting as a variable, here you can see, and equate with bc, because that value is known to us, because all the abscissa and ordinate of b and c is known to you, right. So you calculate its value and equate, it will give you a quadratic equation, and when you solve this quadratic equation, you will get the two values of p, 6 and 4. And in this way we have solved this question. Thank you so much for watching, students. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.